What's up, designers? In this video I'm going to show you 3 powerful ways to parlay already done for you niche research like this one from Ryan Hogue and post it for sale on Redbubble and other print-on-demand websites. If you're new here, my name is Francis from Parlay Designs. I design and sell t-shirts online, and my passion is to help non-designers start doing the same. Remember, done is better than perfect, and if you design, you're a designer. Now on with the show. We're here on placeit.net. We're going to do a design for World Elephant Day, and we're going to parlay the graphics that they already have. I make the background transparent, all from the right hand side, and we're going to change some of the design features on here to make it a little bit more unique. I match the color with the moon here so it pops a little bit. That purple is the center line. You always want to keep things centered, so look out for that when it shows up. And this is the color scheme for Elephant Day, and there is a side profile for the elephant, so I figured I'd go ahead and design that one as well. This is scaling your design, so I'm going to make 2. It's going to be a side profile and the front profile. With the center line there, I dropped it a little bit so it exposes the star. And downloaded it, and now we're in the Over app. 4500 by 5400 is the design space that we created, and we upload the first one. World Elephant Day. A lot of people like the curvature or the curving of the text, so we're gonna do that. This is a nice one. I'm just gonna move things around to eyeball it. What looks nice to you, and whatever fits your style. This is what it looks like on a mock-up on black. That's why I chose the colors, because black sells the most on almost all print-on-demand websites. Redbubble, Merch by Amazon, Etsy. I'm going to actually use this mock-up on Etsy. And we're going to use the same design size, and we're going to replace it with the other one that we downloaded, except we're going to change the bottom. We're going to change the good things happen by masking it, and it's basically erasing it, and we're going to add our own new text. Be kind has been a niche that just doesn't go away, and it makes a lot of sense, because everyone should be kind, be human, and I think that we're going to cross niche these with the World Elephant Day. This is scaling your design, so by changing it and making it unique, you're going to have a totally different t-shirt. Once again, matching the colors, and this is how it looks on black with a black background. And then I'm going to also show you how to make these into stickers. And the sticker that I'm going to do is 5,000 by 5,000. It'll be square. We're going to do both, and we'll start off with this one. I'm thinking about a circle this time. I did a square last time. Check out my other video for that square, but we'll see how this one looks. They're layers now, so we're going to put that black layer behind. Oh, and change the sizing to fit center. The moon is kind of lopsided, so it really doesn't fit for me. But let's see what else we can do with the sticker itself. I'm gonna lock that. I locked that design so I don't mess around with it too much, but here's it in white. Try to discover what looks nice to you. We're gonna use elements from the elephant itself, and let's see. Oop, maybe the black stands out, or the darker color stands out, but it's still a little lopsided for me. Went ahead and removed that. We're gonna go back to the square. I think the square is universal. It fits a lot of things, so it's on top right now. We're gonna move the layer behind. Check the sizing, the spacing. Change the border up to stand out, and the border, let's see what color we can go with. Let me know in the comments what you think about making stickers. On Redbubble, I'll show you how to post it, different designs, so it could be on, stickers and magnets. We made the edges or the corners round, and we're going ahead and save it. Look at the different color schemes. There is a color scheme actually for the organization, so we're gonna use that instead. Get that out of the way. We just copied the sticker color, the background. Let me know what you think about this niche. Let me know if you're gonna be designing for it, and shoot me a message. I want to see what you actually come up with. That'll be fun. And here you go. You have yourself 2 different stickers that we'll post on Redbubble for the first one, but we'll definitely post it on multiple websites. It is a white outline, and that's the reason why I changed it to have a border. And the border I went with, of course, is the square. And you saw that we put it on a bag as well. But here it is, posted on Redbubble. Yours is going to be way better than this, so standing ovation for yours. Let me know how it goes. Let me know what you think of the video. Hit me a thumbs up if you found value in this. See you later.